So in order to slurry the face of these, we sift the color hardener. We get all the big sand out of it. That way when you brush it on there, it doesn't drag it and leave marks, leave some nasty marks. So with this, we take a sifter, a bucket sifter, sift all the big sand out, and then that leaves us with the fines to paint brush on the face. We just pulled these off of the liners off of here. So if you're doing it the same day, there's no need to put like a primer or anything on it. If you're doing it the next day or any day later, you'd want to use like our Sure Bond to paint on here first so you get a good bond. But if it's the same day, you don't need to use that. So all I'm going to do is take a brush, dip it in the release, and just start brushing it on here. I'm not going to get too particular about it on the first coat because we're going to come around and brush it again. So I'm just trying to fill in all the holes and give it that color. Now I've got a third of it done, so I'm just going to take this other brush now and kind of I just like to move this in different directions. Once it's had a second to set up a little bit, you can kind of brush some of the lines out, make it look, see these brush marks right here? So you can take this other one, get it a little bit wet, take this other one and kind of take some of those out and make it look a little bit nicer. Next thing, to get some of the release agent that we used on the main field, this chocolate release on there, what I'm going to do is I just rub this on there, not pushing really super hard. What this does, it just puts a little bit of that secondary release color on it, and it hits the high spots and leaves the low spots the color, so it gives it that two-tone effect. Well, that's it for slurrying the faces of this easy fire pit. If you're just seeing this video on how to slurry the face of this, check out the video on how to use the easy fire pit system. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.